Good morning, everybody. This is Tanya from Team Shania, and today this video is going to be about installing wallpaper in a stairwell. So it's going to be tips for installing wallpaper in a stairwell. So this is our stairwell, and if you want to just look here, you can see that it goes down to the first floor, and we will be doing that first floor entrance area. And if you want to look up here, we've already done the second floor landing. When you have a stairwell, in general, tip number one, in general, you're going to do your longest drops first. That's just general. It may be different, but we've already done this layout, so we will be doing our longest drops first. You will see that we already installed on the second floor landing. That is because the homeowner requested it for furniture placement, and because the ceiling height is the same all the way around, we were able to do that. Otherwise, the long drops normally will dictate where the pattern and the installation is going to go. So we've already done the second floor landing, and this is going to be our first drop, and it's 19 feet. So today we'll be using scaffolding, and you can see if you look down, you want to protect your stairs always, and so we've started with just some protection for the stairs, and then we'll start here. And we're going to work our way around this room. And so a lot of times people will ask, where do you start and stop? In this instance, we've already decided that we're going to stop above an entrance area, kind of where it's in the shadow. That's where we're going to stop. And it won't match, but if we have to do some double cutting or cutting out of flowers and applying it, that's what we'll do. So let's get started. Okay, here we are again. We have our scaffolding built. So if you want to come and you can look down, we have two tiers of scaffolding. We've protected the floor, and we will have probably one person on the top, then we'll have one person here, and one person down below. So we'll have these few very long drops will be managed by 3 people. So I'm Mark to say go. Good morning, everybody. This is Tanya from Team Shania. You will see that I'm in a different outfit, and that is because it is the next day. Because we did this entire stairwell and a first floor entrance area, and we ended up in the night. So we decided to wait till there was light, and we have another space to do, and to come to show you the finished product of wallpaper installation in a stairwell. And again, we started with the longest drops, which are right here, and they go all the way down. And then we worked our way into the first floor entrance area. And then we worked our way around here. And we also installed on the second floor foyer area, or sitting area. And the reason that I was going to just say, come up here and show you one thing. In every room, there's a place, or in most every room, where the wallpaper will not match. If you have 4 walls and they come around, what are the chances that your wallpaper is going to match? They're almost 0. And it has happened too. But I just want to show you up here, and this is how good Sean is. This is the part that doesn't match. And from here, I can't tell at all. Because what Sean does is he'll do some double cutting, he'll work with the patterns, and he'll cut where there is no pattern. Like he might do a curve cut, and then he'll open it up and take out the underneath, and you can't even tell. We have some YouTube videos about this process, and we're going to be making some more so that you get to give you ideas. Another thing you can do, and we have done, let's say it's a bird pattern wallpaper. Sometimes you can cut out a bird and you can apply it. And of course it's an applique, but a lot of times if it's up high, you can't even see it or even know what it is. What it does is it just makes the pattern look like it's going continuous. So I hope you have a good day, and we'll make another video soon. Thanks.